Welcome back. Now I believe that some of us do not have Microsoft Office installed locally on their machines. Neither do they have access to Excel 365. So these people, the only option that they can do is to utilize Excel Online. And in this lesson, we shall explore how to create a Microsoft account and also get started with Excel Online. Let's dive into it. You're going to go to your browser and search for Excel Online. So hit enter, and now you will have different options. So you can see there is excel.cloud. There are also other options, but you're going to go for this very first one, Microsoft 365, as long as you see Edit Spreadsheets Online for free. So go for this, hit on it. Now you land on a page like this. So you'll see welcome to Excel for free on the web, sign in or sign up. So you can also see the sign in button here. So you can see different templates here. So what you can do, you try, create a blank workbook. And of course, now this one is going to bring you to this page where you have to log in. But again, this time round, you don't have an account. So it is asking you no account. So click on create one. You can see get a new email address. So you need to have a Microsoft Outlook or Hotmail account for you to work with Microsoft products. In case you have an Outlook account, kindly go ahead and sign in. Just in case you forgot your password, just hit on forgot password, then you'll be given some directions. Click on get a new email address. And of course, you can see I have Outlook, I have Hotmail. Here, the new email is going to be Munoz Mind. So you can use your name. I'll go with outlook.com. And now I'm going to create my password. So you can also hit on I would like to get information and tips. I'll uncheck this. Next. And I want to save this. Let's solve a puzzle. So of course, now you can see you land on this page. So what you're going to do is simple. So either click on create a new workbook or upload a file. For example, you downloaded your bakery sales dataset or the coffee shop dataset. So go ahead and upload it. So I've uploaded mine here. Give it some little bit of time. So you can see through my Excel Online, I've been able to successfully import the bakery sales dataset. But one thing you're going to notice about Excel Online is it's a little bit limited. For example, you can see it doesn't have as many menu items as the normal Microsoft Excel. So you can also come here and go for the classic ribbon so that you can see all items. So you can see that even when I click on insert, there are not as many, page layout and so on and so forth. So now once you upload the file, you can see there is this pen with a cross, shows that it is view only. So for you to be able to make changes on your file, basically come here under viewing and go to editing. You convert editing mode. Still, when you go ahead and go to classic view, now you can see that these ones have been activated. So you can go through them and see how everything works. So that is how you're able to create an account and work with Excel Online.